law of gravity, mabilis din yung pagbagsak ng kamay mo.
Hampas with a capital H.
Yeah.
Diba? By the way, Carlos Bartolome re-entered the fray.
Good up. Smart
Mora
move.
just sending it over. Cheney will go to Cams.
Wow. I think that was in between the blockers.
Their seniors Sobi Buena, Giselle Tsunashima, and J-Lo De Los Reyes are on the sidelines cheering them on. Sabi nga ng kanilang ate J-Lo, and I quote, "You'll only be able to play your best if you have fun. Period." Back to you, Jay and Chiki.
And true enough, tama ka, Riz. Kasi doon sa movement ng Ateneo, kanina pa nga natin mapapansin, very joyful. Yung mga ganong attack.
Match, di ba, for Ateneo. So, marami kang talagang matututunan dito.
Good coverage
Good
coming
set.
from Fiona Arroyo. But that net defense of Benil just denying everything. Kaya lang
To his team. Sa mga bola, whether it's a service or an attack.
Pero true enough, no? Kung ano yung...
Restricted yung movements mo.
That's a strong swing coming from Camila Bartolome.
Bartolome, nakita niya na she can score pag gagawa siya ng long ball, and that was what she did.
Bartolome, no. Casey going to Ana. Jessa Torog was there. Bartolome on the other side. Alana was there. Shea Jordan! Apat na lang kailangan ng CSP. Quick play. That one will go to Donamy De Leon.
Yeah, that was a good coverage by Benil, but hindi lang na-control sa lakas ng bola.
Nagtikit-tikit sila doon sa zone 2. And that's going to be the conclusion of set number 2. Cams Bartolome finishing it with a block. And you know that she will join the lineage. Yung nandun yung magmamarka rin yung pangalan basta touching. Nandun yung mga legendary athletes na galing Ateneo. And she's also having that intention to become a part of it. But that time, there was an error on the side of Ateneo.
To keep an eye on her.
Tax. Oh, nice play to Robbie Cilia.
Good dig.
Huli lang. Isa pa. Kanino pupunta si Tax? Kay Alana. No. Gonna go for the finish. Yasharoho rejected. Flores to Bartolome. No. Tax, binasa ang opensa, binigay kay Alana, huli sa likod. Bartolome, no! And the play goes on. Robbie Cilia! The crowd is at it, they're loving it. And for the Blazers, almost got it. Hindi lang umangat yung second ball ni Tax. And nakakabitin. No, it's actually a really fun match. Good showing from these two teams. Ateneo, this being their first match. And